hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Right, Malware. We're in Roblox Studio. I just wanted to go over the next update I'm working on here. The Sanitation update. I've added a few. There's going to be a truck trailer added to the system as well. Because I noticed that I updated the economy and now you can't really earn a lot of money or experience. I'll be balancing that, but yeah, the trucks are really expensive right now. So, let's say you go up to a house. There's two systems here. The first system, obviously, is the big bin system. This you'll need the truck for. I don't think I'll do a trailer adaptation for the pickup truck for the bins, for the big bins. So you come to the big bin, right? It opens up. Now I did have these so they swing open, but it won't let me lift the arm no matter how much I try. It just, the way Roblox processes physics, it just won't let me do it. So that's fine. So that's what we get with that. Then you can release it. Alright. Then after about 10 seconds, that will disappear. Alright, and then on the back side, we've got this here. So we can get a bin. Whoops. Let me get another bin. Let me try again. So you get yourself a bin. I'll have to move that around, and it'll weld onto the truck, but you have to let go of it. So you still have the tool handle. It's kind of dumb, but whatever. And then you can click this here. Oops. Okay, so you have to be... Is that still connected to the truck? I think it is. Can't have the tool equipped, right? And then just dumps the bin. You know? It is what it is. I just have to kind of smooth out the code, which will try and smooth out the action, but I mean, it is what it is. So if that comes down like that, then you release it, and you hold the tool out again. Just like that. So if you respawn, those tools will disappear if I respawn. And there's a fuel system. I'll be pausing the fuel system for now. Yeah, see, the tools are going. So I'll be pausing the fuel system for now. I will be introducing it later on. I just still kind of working out the bugs in it, and then I'll introduce it. And then yeah, I'm going to go over this truck a little bit. There needs to be some particles and some sounds, but that's basically that. I figured that would be the best way. I've seen a lot of different ways people have done things, and I just think that let's see here. Yeah, that's just the way that is. Maybe the bin spawns in there. Maybe that'll be a little bit easier. You know, I'm not a modeler or anything, but that's cool. I like that. That works. It's a little bit close. This is just the delete block. That's all. It's a little bit close. So maybe we have to bring this out, make this a bit thicker so it doesn't want to glitch through. Yeah, because I've seen it where like they just leave all those bins in the world, and people are like literally spending time picking up the bins and trying to reset it. I'm like, man, why would you waste your time? Then this way, it deletes the bin, so you can do whatever, however many you want, and you can get rid of the tool, just respawn, and then the bins, they spawn in, and they're player.name's garbage bin. So if you don't delete it, let's say you just spawn a whole bunch. Right, let's say you spawn, it shouldn't let you have more than one here in the spawn. It should, if car, then it spawns it. Right there. So before it clones it, I should say, because it'll clone it. Oh man. That's replicated storage car, and that should actually be bin storage. And then this can be if bin storage. Here we go. If bin storage, then this is bin storage. If game workspace, find first child. Oh, that won't work because it won't. It'll say it won't be able to find player.name. So we'll have to say, can I fire the server from here? Yeah. Player, fire server. I don't know if I can do that. Let's see. Fire server, delete. Let's see. And then I should have another script that says, but that'll have to be connected to a remote event. That's what that has to be. Yeah. So then in replicated storage, we need to insert object. And we need to rename this delete bin. And then we need to go into our script and we need to say go away. Oh, and then we need to say local get service replicate storage rs equals game dot get service. Oh, is it like this maybe? Yeah, get service. Get storage. Go away equals rs dot this one here. We can say go away fire server delete, and then we need to insert an object here script, and we need to say local remote equals game replicate storage dot garbage bin small. We can say remote On server event, connect function. What do we want it to do? Game, workspace, find first child. Let's see. If print. Alright, let's do that. See if that works. Enable the cast value to object. Oh, our client, maybe we just do that. Because I would have to say if variable is equal to argument 1 missing or nil. Oh, let me see how I have this written out. Oh, I have the event in the script. The remove car is there. Okay, on server event, delete car event. Could be this one here, go away. Go away. Go away. On server event, so then it must fire. Let's fire that. Oh yeah, on server event. Oh, that's how we're connected. Gotcha, gotcha. This one's triggered instead of on server event when we trigger it, and this should be like that. So let's try that. It should just delete it when it spawns in. It should just delete it. Let's start with that. No, we don't want to spawn multiples. Also didn't print foul. Let's see here. So I might need another one. Local spawn. I guess I can't. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, because we're firing it from. Firing it from. I could actually take this here and do this first. I should do this first. There we go. Then I don't need this. See if we can connect the events here. Yeah, perfect. There we go. So now you can only have more than one. Perfect. And that's what I want. So this could be at, not at every house, but every couple of houses, let's say, there would be a delivery station like this. And then I want to move this a little bit here. Just so it's instead of deliver here, it's going to say pick up here. We'll rename this garbage. All right, so then we need to copy that, put that on the server. Yeah, not much of a video. I haven't really been doing this. Still working away on this. So let's see. We'll put this at the store for now. And we'll test it out. So this can go on this side here. Actually, the store is gonna have. The store will probably have a big one. Actually, this is. Let's go over here. Over to somebody's house. There we go. Yeah, so I mean, I will be putting in sidewalk all along here as well. The plugin that I use to make the roads, I can edit it so I can put in sidewalks and all that stuff too. I just haven't gotten there yet. I'm just trying to get the game to a spot where like there's enough to do. For the player, and then after that I will focus once again on the rest of it. I'll get back to focusing on the terrain and that kind of stuff. Basically, that's where we're at now, and then. After that, I'll continue to focus on the bugs, and then maybe we'll look at an expansion. But we're talking like probably 3-4 months down the road before we're ready to do anything like that. It's going to be at least a few more months of coding and 3D work, right? But like for example, what I can do for the roads, for example, I can do this right. This plug-in here. Road width can be like 5, and then the road markings none, and then the lines can be none, and then I can change it as well to because it goes into not here, this here, the road preview. This is that road section there. And then what I can do is I can just change the color to like that. And then once I'm done, when I'm ready to place it. Yeah, this is a really neat plugin. So if I change the thickness, to say like, I don't know, 5. Wow, that's pretty thick, I imagine. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so now it is just a matter of going over it. Where's this P0? Why are you so low? Here we go. A curb, right? And it can have the same shape as the road. And we can sort of give it that kind of, there we go, something like that. This is down a little bit. Right, and then I'll go in here, change the color of it to gray or whatever, and then you just say place road. There we go. Now that's a section of sidewalk. And then I'll go back over it, right? Put details on it, and then union it together. And away we go. And that'll pretty much be how this is going to be with the houses and stuff. So, I mean, it's coming along. Like, the map isn't very big. But what I'm trying to do is I'll add these. It's the details that are going to make the game the game. So, and I know it's a driving game, and people say, well, you should have a lot more infrastructure for a driving game. But I think it's going to have that. If you have the drop spots and the pickup spots and lots to do, I think it'll be really cool. Anyways, that's going to do it for now. I just wanted to show that, just the work I'm doing here. Sanitation work, it's coming along. Like now this bin here, I'll take this bin here. And they'll have, these are the commercial bins, right? So at the warehouses and stuff. Let's see here. It's this. It's gonna be over on this side. You know, it needs to have a house for it, an enclosure for the bin. You know, maybe there's two side by side. Then what I'll do is I'll put a prompt in there which will give you experience and all that good stuff, right? And for now, these bins are going to spawn. I'll build a house, like a thing for it, and then the bins will spawn inside. It'll be the same thing as this. Same thing as this, and that way when you activate the prompt, it'll give you experience every time and money, which is cool. I think that's pretty cool. And then you can get your bin, you can do your little whatever, and then yeah, after that, that's a better way of tracking it. Cool. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to. So thanks for watching this one. And then when the next update, I'll post another update. There is some more content coming up. I'll start doing some snow runner and stuff again. I've just been really busy coding, and then I've had some other stuff going on. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.